Assalamu alaikum everyone. Let's continue the topic. If the drugs having a similar chemical structure to ACH were to arrive at the receptor site of the end plate, they might bring about the same change as ACH and mimic its action. The two examples of the such drugs are nicotine and carbamylocholine. एक कौन सी है? पहली जो हमारे पास है वो है निकोटीन और जो दूसरी है वो है कार्बामाइलकोलिन. If on the other hand the drugs having a similar chemical structure to the ACH were to arrive at the site of receptor of motor end plate and were unable to bring about the sequence of changes normally induced by the ACH, they would occupy the receptor site and block the access of ACH. Such drugs would competing with the ACH and are called competitive blocking agents. An example of such drugs is D-tubocurine, which causes the skeletal muscle to relax and not contract by preventing the action of locally produced ACH. Where the action is slow and the widespread and such as within the wall of the intestine. The nerve fiber branch extensively, thus a single neuron exert the control over a large number of the fibers. In some area, the longitudinal layer of the smooth muscle in the intestine. Only a few muscle fibers are associated with the autonomic endings. The wave of the constriction passing from one muscle to another by means of the gap junctions in smooth muscles in which the action is fast and precision is required, such as in the iris. The branching is less extensive, thus a control over only a few fibers. The autonomic nerve fiber, which are postganglionic, are non-myelinated and terminate as a series of varicosed branch. An interval of 10 to 100 nanometer may exist between them. At the site where the transmission is to occur, it is retracted to that and lies within a shallow groove on its surface. Therefore, the part is naked and permitting the free diffusion of transmitter substance to muscle cell. Hence, contain numerous vesicles similar to those seen at motor end plate. It is innervated by sympathetic and parasympathetic parts of autonomic system, and the cholinergic liberates the ACH at their endings by a process of exocytosis, with the ACH being present in vesicles at nerve endings. Those nerves that are noradrenergic liberate the norepinephrine at their endings by a process of exocytosis, with Ne being present in the dark cord vesicles at nerve endings. यहाँ तक जो भी सवाल है ज़रूर पूछें. अल्लाह हाफिज़.